everyone, it's me, Skeleton Clown Gremlin, and we're about to watch, seriously, what are we gonna watch on the road? Seriously. What? What's up? What's going on? Okay, what's going on around here? What the heck? Chef Monkey? What are you doing here? What? What is the sun? So you want to show us react to something? Oh, well, then show us then. This one? Darkness episode with an orange plow. Let's get started on the video. Yeah, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey yo, it's Excel, back here with another game video. We're playing Dark Deception. Look at those creepy teeth. Ew.
Just like you.
You're a dentist, buddy.
Chef Monkey, you're the main boss.
Yeah, that's what I said. Thanks for repeating me. Is there an echo in the building? Happy Shocktober, everybody. As you know, we're playing horror games every single day. And because of that, there's been a little bit of piddle everywhere. It is done. Now my faith lies in darkness. Ooh, you're good at writing poems. Oh, hey, what's up, lady?
Yes.
Just hanging in the dark writing some poetry?
That's Beers.
Oh, press F. Beers.
Hello,
Beers, you're looking
Beers.
fierce.
Oh, another one.
Yeah.
How nice to have some company.
This is gonna be too much forever. We'll be right back for just a second. Okay, we're finally back. Let's get started. It takes for hours, forever.
I don't really want to go into the scary monkey portal. Thank you very much. Are you yawning? Are you bored of me? Are you not entertained? Ooh. Okay, creepy red hallway. That's cool. Could use a little bit more orange. Just saying, you know.
Wow.
Oh, I don't like this. Who's whispering in my non-existent ears right now? Please don't do that. Okay, going through the creepy doorway. Ooh.
Alright,
Like
this
we're really
is...
monkeying around. Oh, monkey business. Hey, follow with the puns. You can't do that.
Get his
Leave the jokes
puns.
to the professionals. I wouldn't call it that, but
Bring back any memories.
only the time when I farted in a pair of suitcase. Ooh, bell. Can I ring it? Yeah. Hello. I want service over here. I want 15 peanut butter buttermilk sandwiches right now.
Probably. I know I want you to give the pizza with Chef Monkey, right?
What? Breakfast and murder? That's kind of the last thing I want for breakfast. Just saying. I don't know. I wasn't expecting that. Have a nice fall. Hope you had a great trip.
This is so cool.
Yeah, I would have picked something different for the pictures. What was that? Uh-oh.
Oh boy. There's murder
Just
monkeys.
better not fall on me, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna come close to you so that you fall. Ugh. Oh, there's something in that elevator down there.
Oh boy.
Not to take the elevator. Is there stairs? I like stairs.
Nope.
To work on my cardio.
There's murder monkey.
Oh, I don't want to go closer. What is it? Oh.
Even they made the original Murder Monkey Plus. That's you, Chef Monkey. You look cool and awesome.
What? Ooh, what was that? Do I think? Yeah. Oh, I think I'm supposed to get on the elevator now. Oh, I don't like this. But I'm going in. Well, I guess it's better than going down, right?
Yes, of course so.
Elevator's broken. Okay, please, no creepy things. Okay. Oh, got some nice elevator music. Hey, that's... Ugh.
See those floating bits of crystal?
Maybe.
Those are soul signs.
Cool.
Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little room.
Yeah, I like collecting souls, too.
Is a remnant of one who has met their end.
Are they saying this right now?
And the first
Chef Monkey? That was at the very beginning. They made it master the update. You're on the game. And first time in early 2021. And then 2010, they weren't there. And then back then, you were used to be in Monsters and Mortals. You're the main boss. And now, you're in the game. in Darkness Episode Chapter 1 now. I'm really happy about that. I'm seriously. I really do.
Break the ring barrier. Can I break the boards by breaking
Let's just get this over with.
Ooh, creepy.
Oh wow.
Who's knocking?
Oh wow, that's funny right there.
That's weird. On the map it says there isn't even a room there. What the butterfuck is going on here? Better break down breakboards.
Even Dark House would destroy everything his family because Malik took him and showed him everything. So yeah.
Okay. So far, so good. Looks all clear.
Oh boy. Oh, what's happening?
Music? Where'd that come from? I didn't start creepy music, did I? Uh-oh. I hear something. Run. I hear something behind me. I gotta go, guys. Nice. Not bad. I got a 20 shard streak. Although I still hear something behind me. Quickly. We gotta get all those shards. Okay. I don't hear anything behind me now, but I'm gonna keep running though. Wait, maybe can I go in one of these doors? No, doesn't seem to open. No. Stop monkeying around, you guys. No monkey. Ooh, you guys are going ape.
This is so cool.
Okay. Uh-oh. You're really making a monkey out of me.
Ha! That's cool right there.
Seriously, who picked that
So that shit, monkey?
Oh, okay, yep, the shards I've already collected have been collected. Still, I guess we're just gonna have to keep going. Break down this board. Give me a break. Break me up a piece of that big fat board.
Funny.
No monkey, where's my...
Monkey's always
Why couldn't the shards be bananas? I give them bananas every day.
That's funny.
The monkey.
It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face.
Yeah, thanks, lady. It really helps if you don't act like a condescending Bartanimus butt parts. That's too much to ask for you, huh? I don't want to break the board. Just give me that thing. Give it to me. Just reach up there and take it. Wait.
Even though
Why
it's
the music
just
started
like
already? I haven't
Pac-Man,
even started.
right?
This game would be a whole lot easier if I could actually see them coming for me. Okay, I saw them coming after me, but I can't see them on the screen. How am I supposed to know where to go? Where not to go?
Yeah,
You scared me.
that's funny.
That's too much monkey business. Shut it. No, I'm not listening to you. I'm skipping your tutorial. Okay, here we go, guys. Now, yeah, you knock on that door all day long. I'm not answering it. Unless you're selling pantsless pants, I don't want it. Maybe if you were selling like a shard vacuum, that'd be cool.
Huh,
I wouldn't even
cool.
have to run through the hallways. I can just turn on the shard vacuum and just suck them right up. No music. I don't like the music. Music down. Ooh,
Chef Michael! Don't murder Michael, though.
I don't like it.
Huh.
How am I supposed to play this game?
So cool.
Yes.
Right now.
No.
Oh!
Ooh, damn fine words. Oh, you gonna get it?
Huh.
I'm gonna wash your mouth out with soap.
Oh wow.
Soap on a rope.
Nobody likes you, even though remember so nobody likes you, and then she says it back down in chapter 4.
Just not run into any kind of monkey business. Uh-oh. No, I hear him already. They get to me so fast. Okay.
Oh boy.
Can't come in this room.
The
Can't come in this room.
dad.
Safe room. They can come in that room. Not fair. Yeah, you quiet, lady. Quiet. No one wants to hear your business. Nobody does. Condescending Bartanimus butt parts. That's your name. I hear him again. Please don't eat me, monkey. Remember, you like bananas. You don't like oranges. Wait, what's that red thing there? I want to get that thing. What is it? Ooh, because it's kind of like creepy. Whoa, enemies revealed.
Oh wow, congratulations, you found it. And enemy stun, just like a power.
Oh, yeah, you stud, buddy. And I can see where you're at. Oh, it's on like Donkey Kong. You know, your big brother. The one that you hate because he's always throwing barrels up in your face.
Blah.
Yes, now feeling good. Orange has got the power in this situation now. Yeah.
And oh, this you're gonna see the kitchen. You're gonna see this.
Yo, what you gonna do? What you gonna do with Orange?
And this is the picture of Chef Monkey. That's you.
Got a few here. Grab this one.
Wow, they're excited.
Turn around. Uh-oh. They're loose again. The juice is loose. Uh-oh. Oh, now they're trying to corner me. Oh, now they're coming both ankles. Okay, no, 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 no!
Wow.
I don't like it when evil monkeys stab me and eat me.
Oh, wow. And we're finally back. And we're finally back. Oh, wow. I know anyone's done played it for a very long time, but she'll probably give us support of I know anyone wants us to play like all the time, but okay, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. A lot more videos coming soon. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again on the next video. This is Skeleton Clown Gremlin with Chef Monkey. Out. Later, guys.